Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing and review of the Gourmia 8-Quart digital air fryer. You can get this product on Amazon for about $65. Check out the link in the description. The air fryer comes with a multi-purpose rack, a user manual, and an air fryer cooking chart. Setting up the device is pretty easy and only takes about a minute. Using the air fryer is also very easy, and it has a lot of different settings and functions. Thanks to the viewing window and the internal light, you can always check on your food without opening the air fryer. I bought the air fryer about 4 months ago, and I use it all the time, for all different kinds of food. I also use my ceramic baking dish with the air fryer, and it fits very well. If you want to know more about this product, check out the link in the description. I'm very happy with this air fryer because my food always turns out great, and I save a lot of money because I don't have to use my oven anymore. So if you are looking for a not too expensive, good quality air fryer with 7 different cooking functions and a viewing window, I would recommend the Gourmia 8-Quart digital air fryer. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.